This video will show you how to uninstall ADvantage Professional. So we are going to Programs and Features. In the Program and Feature in the control panel, you can see the software ADvantage Professional. Right mouse click or choosing uninstall, click on the uninstall button. Yes, we would like to uninstall it. So now the uninstaller is removing all ADvantage Professional files and extensions. It will not uninstall the database. So even after the ADvantage Professional software is uninstalled, you can find the database in the default directory. So the system is now ready for an upgrade, so you can go ahead and install the latest build of ADvantage Professional.